Hi there, welcome to this JavaScript tutorial. In today's lesson, we'll write a program that checks that if the number 1 appears at the start or end of the given array. This task might seem simple, but it introduces essential concepts for working with arrays in JavaScript. Let's get started. Our goal is to create a function that checks if the number 1 is present at either the first or last position in an array. The array must have at least one element if the condition is satisfied. The function will return true, otherwise it will return false. This is a fundamental concept that can be extended to many array-based operations. Here's our function, first last one. It first calculates the index of the last element using nums.length -1. Then it checks if either the first element num0 or the last element nums npos is 1. The logical OR operator ensures the function evaluates both conditions and returns true if any one of them is satisfied. To understand the process better, here's a breakdown. First, we find the last position of the array using nums.length -1. Next, we verify if 1 exists in the first or last position. Finally, we return the result based on these checks. This approach ensures clarity and efficiency. In this example, the array is 1, 3, 5. The first element is 1, so the function evaluates it to true. This simple test case demonstrates the functionality when the condition is satisfied. In this case, the array is 1, 3, 5, 1. Here, both the first and last elements are 1. Since either condition being true is sufficient, the function returns true. This illustrates how multiple valid conditions are handled. Finally, the array 2, 4, 6 does not contain 1 at either the first or last position. As expected, the function evaluates to false. This test case ensures that the function works correctly for negative conditions. Here is the ES6 version of the function, using an arrow function and removing unnecessary variable declarations. We've condensed the logic to a single line. It's a modern and elegant way to achieve the same result. To recap, the first last one function is a simple yet effective way to check specific conditions in an array. Its versatility allows for easy integration into larger applications. By offering both traditional and modern versions, we ensure compatibility and ease of use. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript insights. See you in the next video.